Hi guys, welcome back to the Art of Home Cooking. Today I'm going to prepare doi mach or fish curry with yogurt. Hi guys, today I'm going to prepare doi mach or fish curry with yogurt. So at first we have to marinate the fish. So here I am using this rui fish. So I'm going to put this fish. I have marinated this fish with a little bit of turmeric and salt, and now I will put this yogurt. Here I have beaten the two yogurt. One is sweet yogurt, another one is regular yogurt. In Bengali we say mishti doi and tok doi. So I have beaten this two yogurt with a little bit of water. So I'm going to put near about 7 tablespoons of this yogurt. Okay, and now I will put near about 1.5 teaspoon of garlic paste, salt according to taste. I will put a little bit of turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala powder. Here I am using 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, sugar according to your preference. If you are preparing this fish with only normal yogurt, that means you're not putting sweet yogurt, then you can increase the sugar quantity. And here I have this barista. This is just, I have chopped this onion and I have deep fried it. So I will put this whole barista in it. Now I'm going to mix this. And it will go for marination. Just leave this fish for around 30 minutes, and then I will show you the next process of making this doi mach. So just mix it properly and just leave this for 30 minutes. So guys, now what I'm gonna do is I will use ghee for this recipe. You can also use refined white oil, but I'm using desi ghee. So I'm giving about 2 tablespoons of desi ghee into it. Now into this I will put near about 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and this crushed garam masala. Now I'm going to put that marinated fish into this. Slightly flip the fish so that the both sides gets properly cooked. As because I'm using this method, you can I'm gonna cook it properly. If you you can also fry the fish in oil and then you can mix the fish with the curd. I'm using this technique. So just close the lid and just wait for 10 minutes. So let's see what he's up to. Yeah, the fish is properly cooked now guys, and this is very yummy recipe. I really love this fish recipe. I have learned this fish recipe from my mom. So now what I'm going to do is I I will switch off the gas right now. It's already done. And now I'm going to put the remaining beaten yogurt over this. Do try at home, guys. It tastes yum and it goes very well with the normal rice. So now it's time for me to do plating. So after plating, I will let you see. So this doi march or fish curry with yogurt is ready, guys. So guys, our yummy fish curry with yogurt or doi march is ready to serve. As you can see how yummy it is looking, and it goes very well with plain rice, guys. Just serve this hot with plain rice, it will be yum. And if you guys like this recipe of mine, then please don't forget to like and share this to your friends and family members, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really want your support, guys, and I'm gonna come with another new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye, guys.